In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Google language settings to English in a simple, beginner-friendly way. You don't need any technical knowledge, just follow these easy steps. First, open Google in your web browser on your computer or phone. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. In the top corner, click on your Google profile picture. From the menu that appears, click Manage your Google account. Once your account page opens, look at the top menu and click on Personal Info. Now, scroll down the page until you find the Language section. Here, you'll see the language your Google account is currently using. Next to the Language option, click on the Edit or pencil icon. A list will open where you can search for a new language. Type English in the search box and choose the English version you prefer. After selecting it, confirm or save the change. That's it. Google will now start showing menus, settings in most services in English. You don't need to restart anything. The change usually applies right away. If you ever want to add another language later, you can come back to the same section and add it without removing English. And that's how you change Google language settings to English. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.